And police in Bungoma County are holding a woman who is suspected of killing her stepchild and disposing of the body in a river. The woman, 21-year-old Esther Mudenyo, is said to have argued with her husband before committing the heinous crime at Khalaba village in Kanduyi constituency. Residents woke up to the shocking news of the death of the child, who was only 4 years old. The young girl was strangled to death, but the woman is said not to have had enough. Well, stab wounds on the girl's private parts and missing eyeballs were telling of a gruesome murder of the child at the hands of her stepmother. The suspect, who is in police custody, has accepted responsibility for the action. Angry residents came out to harm the suspect, but she was whisked away by police before they could get to her. The young girl had been missing since Thursday, as the family looked for her everywhere, only for her body to be found floating in a river.
Sababu gani aliua mtoto? Yeye alisema tu yeye ndiye aliua. Manguo mama huyu alitoa akapeana kwa jirani hapo kwa landi. Alafu jirani naye huyo mama akakuja tena akapea mtoto wa hapa akapeleka huko. Sasa vile walisema tukauliza ni nani alikupa manguo, ati mama mtoto. Ndio kidogo tunafika hapo naona anapandishwa pikipiki anaenda na maaskari.
Yeye tumepata mtoto alikatakatwa all over na alimrusha tu kando ya maji, lakini sehemu nyingine kama alichomwa.